Welcome to 5 Luo words a day. This is day number 59, and if you've not followed this series, please go back through day number 1 so that you can learn what we've all been learning for all these days. Today we talk about Apama Apanda Apap Apar and Apanja. And welcome. So let's just roll through, and we start with Apama. What is Apama? Apama is a slap. The act of slapping is called pamo. So that's where Apama comes from. In a sentence you can say, Okelo oyudo apat mawuok kuom japuonjne. Okelo oyudo apat mawuok kuom japuonjne. So Okelo received a slap from his teacher. That's a cruel teacher. Then we move on to the second one, which is Apanda Apanda. Sorry. So Apanda is secretly or stealthily. Secretly or stealthily. For example, when you say Nyako no ne owuok e od osiepne apanda. Nyako no ne owuok e od osiepne apanda. So that lady left her boyfriend's house secretly. That is the meaning of apanda. Stealthily or secretly. And the third word is apap. Apap. So I apologize, this is not the picture of apap. I will look for it and maybe do another video. But it's a plant used for clearing the mucus from the nostril of children. So it has some sappy substance which is put in the child's nose, and that sappy substance removes it clears the cold, you know, the cold mucus. So in an example you can say that min ochieng ne otiyo kod apama e fito nyathi mondo athung'a orum. Min ochieng ne otiyo kod apama e fito nyathi mondo athung'a orum. Mondo athung'a orum. Then our fourth word is apar. Apar is the number 10. A plural is piero. Nyithindo apar. Nyithindo apar. Onuoyo nyadipar. Onuoyo nyadipar. He's repeated it 10 times. Nyithindo apar, 10 children. And our last word of the day is apanja. Apanja. Apanja means avoidance. For example, timbe mag apanja ema miyo yorege ok ochimore maler. Timbe mag apanja ema miyo yorege ok ochimore maler. So the acts of avoidance makes him a shady person. Great. That's the end of the day, and let's see you tomorrow for the next set of 5 Luo words a day. Remember, you can always get the playlist in Luo English Dictionary YouTube channel, where we have all these lined up in a very organized fashion. For now, Oriti, goodbye.